Having experienced the frustration of a disabled Google account due to excessive SMS verification attempts on both Android and PC, and after rigorous testing of numerous solutions, I have successfully identified several reliable methods that restore access, which I am now going to detail for you. First, method 1 involves clearing your Google Play Services data on Android. This action is crucial because Google Play Services maintains a vast amount of cached data and authentication tokens. Corrupted or outdated data here can lead to repetitive, failed SMS requests, trapping your account in a verification loop. By clearing this data, you essentially force a fresh connection and reinitialization of Google's services, often resolving the underlying data conflict that triggers the lockout. Next, method 2 focuses on Google's official account recovery process. This is the most direct and secure pathway when standard verification methods fail. Google's system is designed to verify your identity through alternative means, such as security questions or trusted devices, when SMS-based verification is compromised or blocked. It's a structured approach to re-establish your ownership and trust with Google, allowing you to regain control of your account. Moving on to method 3, we address issues with your SMS application and SIM card. A malfunctioning messaging app or a problematic SIM card can directly impede the delivery and reception of critical verification codes. If your phone or PC isn't properly sending or receiving SMS, it will inevitably lead to repeated failed attempts, triggering the too many SMS attempts lockout. Ensuring your messaging infrastructure is sound is fundamental for successful authentication. Finally, method 4 emphasizes reviewing connected devices and overall Google security settings. Unauthorized or stale device connections can sometimes trigger suspicious activity flags, leading to heightened security measures and repeated verification prompts. By auditing your trusted devices, updating recovery information, and strengthening your password, you minimize the risk factors that contribute to account lockouts, ensuring your account remains secure and accessible.